Today we are excited to share with you the all-new 2025 Grand Design Lineage Series M25 FW Class B motorhome. This RV is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis and is powered by a twin-turbo 2.0 liter inline 4-cylinder engine with 208 horsepower and 332 pounds-foot of torque. The length of this unit is 25 feet 8 inches with an exterior height of 11 feet 5 inches and a 12,123 pounds total gross vehicle weight rating. Some features include a 16-foot awning, a king-size bed, power theater seating with an option to swap it out for a booth dinette, 10 cubic foot fridge, and a 40-inch outdoor TV. This unit comes equipped with 3 200-watt solar panels and 230 amp-hour lithium batteries for off-grid camping. This RV has a 35-gallon freshwater tank, a 34-gallon gray water tank, and a 34-gallon black water tank. You'll also find a tankless hot water heater and 20 pounds of LPG capacity. To keep you cool in the warmer months, there is an AC unit and a 30,000 BTU furnace to keep you warm during the cooler season. Well, enough talking about some of the features and specs. Let's get a closer look. So starting with the outside here, you have your outdoor TV. Nice to have, it's a Jensen TV. Next to the TV, you do have a music station with Bluetooth. Your propane storage underneath here. A little more storage here. Got your 1000 watt wave inverter. Propane quick connect. Outlet. There is a screen door that you can pull out when you have the door open so you don't have insects and such getting in. A little more storage in the back. Now there is no ladder on the back. There is a one-touch awning. You just hit the button once and it automatically comes out. If it gets hit by wind too much, it automatically goes in on its own. I really like what they did here with the back cap. You know, the tail lights and this effect they have going on. That looks real neat. All right, you have your Truma AquaGo hot water heater. More storage. Wet bay. Got all your flushes in here. Your outdoor shower as well. Your hookup here. So here's another feature that I like. It'll tell you if there's something wrong with the connection when you plug in. So this connection's perfect because everything's lit up green. But if there's something wrong, up here is an indicator. It'll tell you what it is that's wrong with it. And water. Get your city water hooked up. There's some more storage. Come around underneath. There's 2 more storage. Nice size. You really do have to duck though to get to these, and here's the generator. Onan QG 3600 LP. Seems like they're getting a little beefier with the generators now. And then another window on this side. And a little more storage up here. Then these do have a cover over the slide. So that's nice to have too. Now let's go inside, check it out. So as we come to step inside, you'll find that the step lifts up and you'll have your lithium batteries and hookups there for that. Command station right next to it on the wall. Here we have a nice cab area with an overhead bunk. What's the weight rating for the bunk? 350? Gotta like this skylight right here.
This cab area is real nice. It doesn't seem as cramped as some other Class C cab areas I've come across. I really like the idea of storage in the headrests.
Over here we got theater seating. This is part of the slide, along with the bed. Got some storage up above here. I like the push button. Locks in the door as you're traveling. I like the sound of that. great feature to have. Unfortunately, our Integra doesn't have this, and they should put them in them. Because right now, when we're driving, our pan drawer will come open when I turn. These do recline, these seats. You do have USB on the side, cup holders. Here you have a pantry with slide out drawers. Down there, that's pantry as well. And here in the kitchen we have an overhead TV, nice sink, cutting board and such, 2-burner stove, Furrion, a little bit of storage up above for your plates. There's also storage behind the TV. If that other place wasn't a good spot for your plates, then you have more room behind the TV here. It's pretty stiff. Then below here, we have this top drawer, sponge drawer. It's false. And then you have some more drawers here going down. This one's a little deeper. Yeah. Try to fit a trash can in there, and then next to that underneath you have your Furrion microwave with some pots and pans storage underneath.
And here's the 10 cubic foot fridge. I really like the pull-out freezer and the sleek styling. It pops.
Here's the bed area. You have 3 more spots for storage up above. And you have this nice area over here where you have plenty more storage. Push that and you open right up. And there is lighting in there. Down here are some more drawers. Pretty deep too. And you got plenty of room to get around the bed except for here between the wall. But other than that, it's not too bad getting around. There's also a little cubby hole there by the bed. Then your bathroom. Nice sized bathroom. The only thing I'm not a fan of is the toilet right in front of the shower. But you make do with what you can do with a smaller RV. I'm sure when you have models that are a little bit longer, that won't be an issue. You do have an outlet on the side there. A little storage underneath, and up above is a medicine cabinet. Right there. A nice little night light at the bottom, so when you're getting up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom. Decent sized medicine cabinet. And these windows open outwards. There we go. See how far these open out? Oh my! All the way. So if your emergency exit doesn't work, you got a backup. I wouldn't recommend it though.
Overall, we really like the sleek styling this unit provides. It's an impressive layout with a fresh feel to it. If you are interested in more information about this unit, then check out Grand Design's website.
Well, thank you so much for joining us for this video.
And if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It'll help us out a lot.
And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
Take care everyone, and safe travels. To watch more videos like this one, then watch one of these videos.